Crypto has been looking pretty hot over the last week. We can see we've got some crazy pumps here from Celsius, SHIBA INU, Anchor, and some other great blue chip projects. So let's have a little look at SHIBA INU today. We're going to compare it to a new meme coin which has just entered the crypto space, also known as Tamadoge, which can reach $1 first. That's what we want to ask ourselves today. So let's check out both of these projects. I think both obviously have massive potential. SHIBA INU maybe not so much anymore, but SHIBA INU has certainly hit some massive milestones in the past. Anyway, let's have a little look at what's going on with the crypto markets at the moment. If you're new here, do subscribe, as we're going to be checking out a lot of DeFi, meme coins, play to earn, metaverse, trading, and just looking at blue chip projects and layer 1 and layer 2 projects, which should give us lots of value in the future. So SHIBA INU ranked 12 today. We can see we're up a little bit against Bitcoin and Ethereum, trading at $0.000157. Loads of volume has also come through since the SHIBA Eternity gameplay launch and announcement. But, retrospectively speaking, we're still massively down from those euphoric tops. As you can see, we're nowhere near the previous all-time high of $0.00008. So we still got basically a long way to go in order for SHIBA INU to catch up to these historical highs. And in my opinion, it's not going to get there very quickly. You've got to at least do another 5x just to get back to those price levels. So it could happen in the future, but right now I don't think so. Another thing to check out is I do not like the circulating supply of this project. 589 trillion. That's just way too much in my opinion for any sort of crypto project. I mean, 5 billion, 35 billion, 735 billion there, 9.7 trillion exactly. It's just way too much in terms of the circulating supply. That's a big red flag, and this is why I think it can never hit $1, to be honest, because you're gonna have to get this market cap up so crazy, 100x, 1000, 10,000x just to get it there. I don't really think it's gonna happen, in my opinion. So let's have a look anyway. SHIBA INU Eternity gameplay revealed. So we covered this already. For those of you that didn't see it, this is exactly what the gameplay looks like. I'm just going to show you quickly. It's like a card-based sort of turn-based game. Kind of nice. It reminds me of Gods Unchained. It looks quite fun, vibrant, quirky. So check that one out if you are interested in SHIBA INU. Of course, the SHIBA Eternity gameplay is, I think, only launched in one area at the moment, but it will probably go global at some point. SHIBA INU price, I will admit I'm impressed with the price action recently for SHIBA INU. We can see we broke out this broadening ascending channel, which is obviously quite bullish. And look at that massive green candle on the daily from yesterday. If you look at the Fibonacci retracement, you can see we just came down to that 0.5 level. Looks like we're getting a slight sort of consolidation here, putting through our first green candle. We got that bounce of 0.00001522. Might see some continuation to the upside over here for SHIBA INU if we can hold this line, but I do expect a bit of a rejection at the resistance here at the 0.382 Fibonacci, where we'd probably see a bit of continuation to the downside. So do bear in mind, very overheated, overbought on the RSI. We haven't been this overbought for a very long time for SHIBA INU. So of course there's lots of euphoria and greed now annotated and attached to this sort of pump. So where there's a lot of greed and euphoria, just steer clear, in my opinion. That's one bit of advice I would like to give you, which you don't have to listen to, but don't chase the green. So what about Tamadoge? Tamadoge, in my opinion, much more potential. Some things I really do like about it. Of course, it's still high risk, high reward. It's a meme coin. It's a low market cap at the end of the day. But what I love about it is that it's a play to earn, utility-based ERC20 token. It's deflationary, tax-free as well. And you get Tamadoge pets, which are like these NFTs you can look after. Just think of it as like Tamagotchi meets sort of Pokemon. And you can also climb up some leaderboards. They've got some crazy things coming out as well later on in the year, like the Tamadoge pet store and other crazy things. So make sure you do have a look at their roadmap. They've got some big metaverse partnerships coming out and loads of centralized exchange listings, which are rumored to be in the pipeline to also launch later on in 2023 and even in the earlier stages of 2023. So at the moment they are in a pre-sale. We can see the $2 million beta sale already sold out in like 2 weeks, and just looking at the pre-sale already, $3.89 million. Now if we were to refresh this, because I looked at this page about 5 minutes ago, let's see if it's gone up. So 3.891, are we up? 3.892, so about $1,000 and a bit has gone up in the last few minutes just sitting on this page. It has been going up around $200,000 per day, and you can see each increment or each tranche here that we're going through, the price of Tama is also raising, so that means per dollar you're getting less Tama Doge coin. or the native token known as Tama, per sort of transaction. So if you want to get in at the best unit cost, you got to get in nice and early on this pre-sale. Roadmap here, Q4 2022, got the pre-sale launch of the Tamadoge token, website launch, full security audit, influencer marketing. Q1 2023, Tamadoge NFT pet store opens, more centralized exchange listings, Tamadoge battling leaderboard, and there's just a lot that goes through the remainder of the year that you can still feel really bullish about, and I cannot wait to do some gameplay videos on this particular project too. Now, why do I think this one can hit $1? In comparison to Shiba Inu, which I think will not hit $1, well, in my opinion, it's just very simple. It all comes down to the circulating supply. 589 trillion is just really unattractive, in my opinion. That would turn me off massively. And it makes me think, well, okay, we're at an $8 billion market cap. So let's have a look historically what happened for Shiba Inu. Okay, 41 billion. So 41 billion, get back there from here is about 5x. Now, we might put through an all-time high in the future. I think at best, maybe a 7 or 8x, which would take us to like a 60 to 70 billion dollar market cap. And if you've got the same circulating supply at these levels, you're still only knocking off 1-0 because you're just not going to get to that $1 price level. However, Tamadoge, if you look at the Tamanomics here, we can see the total maximum supply of Tamadoge will be 2 billion, which is really impressive, to be honest, because these meme coins or shit coins, you know, you can call it a shit coin if you want, but you could do that with like 99% of other cryptos. But to be honest, the Tamanomics here, lovely, lovely distribution. And I like this. There will be 1 billion tokens in circulation at the token generation event, 400 million unminted reserved for exchange listings. There will be 600 million which will become available to be minted over 10 years to power the Tamadoge project. I like that. You're not getting that many injected into the ecosystem as well, so you're not seeing a massive influx of supply which will shock the price, and I think that's very, very important. So this is why we can see Tamadoge hit $1 because of the circulating supply, and I think it's going to be a 10 to 100x, guys. Think about it, a low market cap project, let's say it launches at $5 to $10 million, or let's just say $2 million market cap. It's easier to hit 20 or 200 million from those price levels. Shiba is already sitting at 8 billion. What if Tamadoge is the next Shiba or Dogecoin? You'll be looking at 100 to 1000x if you got in really, really early. Of course, not financial advice, but these are the sort of projects I'm looking at the moment in the bear markets, because I want to allocate a small amount of my capital, not all of it, just 2, 3, 4, maybe 5% maximum into high risk, high reward entities, because that portfolio diversification is really, really nice. Let's say a few projects do bad, and then you've got a couple that are doing super good, and what if your high risk, high reward one is doing amazing? That will help hedge against any sort of negative price activity of the other ones. Anyways, enough rambling on. What else is going on for Tamadoge? To do a $100,000 giveaway, which is super bullish. You know, I don't really see Shiba doing anything too exciting right now in terms of giveaways, but they did just have a really nice update, of course, but it's really cool to see this new project in pre-sale also doing a $100,000 giveaway. I mean, you're not going to find that sort of giveaway anywhere else right now. It's a nice chance to make a bit of money in the crypto bear market. It could make you money. You know, nothing is guaranteed in life. Crypto is still volatile, you know, highly risky as well. So if you want to enter this one, you got to hold $100 worth. They are also doing a $3,000 giveaway as well, which you don't need to be actually holding any for. This is the Tamadoge Twitter official page. You can see 44k followers. The community is ever growing at this point. They've just done an Ask Me Anything as well, so do check out that video right here. If you have any wonders, you can see the team is talking in the project. They are fully doxed, they are fully audited, they are anti-rug pull as well. So much to be bullish about this tax-free crypto coin, you know, Tamadoge, play to earn, metaverse, NFTs. It's going to have elements of virtual reality as well. I really think this is going to be one of the next top 10 meme coins. So check it out, research it, get in early. Don't go all in if you do decide going all in. I mean, it's crazy to do, not financial advice, of course. But I think it's worth holding at least some. So let me know down in the comments what you think of Tamadoge. Do you think Shiba Inu will get to $1 first, or do you think Tamadoge will get there first? Let's compare the two together. Let's contrast them, pros, cons. Let me know what you think. It's good to compare cryptos. I mean, people always think it's weird when you put two cryptos together or rivals in one video. Well, that's what we're doing, because at the end of the day, You want to find the project that gives you the most prosperity, right? Financial freedom and so on. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash subscribe. If you're new here, do check out my Discord, my Telegram as well. You can find all of the free educational content down in the description. Head over to the Tamadoge socials. Go visit the Tamaverse. Say hello to the Tamadoge army, and bye for now.